Hello guys, you guys are welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about a wonderful face facial treatment you can give your face at home to get that flawless, clear skin to help you remove acne and melasma, that is hyperpigmentation. So, but meanwhile, before we go into that, I want to welcome you specially as I always do. I want to welcome you, all my beautiful subscribers. I want to welcome all the newcomers, all my viewers. I thank you all. I appreciate you. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. You will not regret it because I have a lot of things to share with you guys. And as time permits me, I'll be uploading more and more videos that will be helpful for your skincare journey and also your hair journey. So I would like you to subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of things to give out. So without further ado, let's go straight to the point. So today I have this in my hand. I don't know if you can see it. This is my rice, the rice powder. You can see that is like a kind of granulated because I blended this rice by myself. I like the way it is because it is sharper than if you buy rice powder from the supermarket. That one is like so powdery. It's not, I don't like it for my scrub. So that one is better for uh, mask. But this one, this rice, the way I blend it, you can use your blender and blend. You take a cup of rice or even half cup of rice, but I like to blend up to 1 cup so that I can leave the remaining, preserve the remaining. So, and you just take a little anytime you want to scrub your face. This is a, that rice has been known to contain a lot of vitamins that helps to clear the face. This rice you're seeing, it contains a lot of vitamins. The way you eat it and you get vitamins in your body, that's the same way that when you put it on your skin, it's loaded with health benefits, skincare benefits. It helps to clear acne mark. So this rice, as I'm saying, I use rice mask. This is a rice scrub. You understand? I have other scrubs also, but it's not good for you in your skincare journey. Everything chemical. It's good that sometimes you use natural ingredients to treat your skin. Do you know it helps you? It makes your skin not to be weak by a lot of chemicals. It helps your skin to rest. Let me just use the word to rest and renew itself. It helps your skin to rest when you combine your skincare routine with natural ingredients like this. As me, I use a lot of natural ingredients. I don't use only chemicals. I use natural ingredients also to treat my skin. And rice is one of the those things I use. I use this rice mask. This one now you can see is the one I've been using. I just took small from it. See? You see the way it is? You see? So when I blend it like this, and I have my rice water. This is my rice water. This is the rice water. It's fermented already. I made a video when I fermented it, how to ferment it. So uh it just to ferment it is not difficult. It just take like small rice also. You put it in the water, allow it to stay 24 hours. Before you put the rice in the water, try to wash off the dirt in it and wash it 1 time or 2 times, but you don't need to wash it like to scrub it because as you are scrubbing it, you're removing some of the vitamins also. Just wash it, any dates on it, those dates you remove it. When you remove those dates, then you put water Like, for instance, for me, if I'm using 100 grams of rice, I need to add like 200 or 250 ml of water. Why? Because the rice, as it's fermenting, is soaking water. You understand? So don't put so small water that when the rice has finished fermenting, you don't have anything left. The water, all the water has been soaked. The rice has soaked all the water. So this is my own fermented rice water. You know, this rice water, I use it sometimes. I don't use it every day, but there's nothing wrong with using it every day. Just that sometimes I use my other products. You understand? But if you don't have another thing to use, you can use it every day. You understand? So to clean as a toner is a good toner to clean your face. Another thing I will tell you guys, like you can use this rice as a toner to clean your face. But one thing I have to warn you about is that it doesn't clean dirt. You know, when you wash your face, you still take a pad to clean your face with a toner. You will see you still have some small dirt on your face. So you have to use that toner to remove the dirt first before you use this rice, because this rice water, when you put it on a cotton, it doesn't really remove the dirt. It does not do that. But it's better you remove the dirt before putting it, so that it can penetrate, so your pores can be open for this rice to the rice water to penetrate. So how do I use it? The first thing I do, like this rice now, what I do is, I hope you can see what I'm doing. So what I do is I like to use this rice water to mix it. I want to get all the nutrients. So I don't like mixing my rice scrub with is it? Oh, I don't know. Because this, can you see? Yes, you can see it now. Mhm. So I've put this rice water here, but I'm not going to put it on my face now. No, I can't do that. So as I've put some rice water in it. Then after cleaning my face with soap, then I will just damp it with towel while it's still a bit wet. I will take this rice. This is the way it is. This is I will take the rice and start scrubbing. I use it to scrub my face as a facial scrub. I use it to scrub my face as a facial scrub. So when I finish scrubbing my face, then and I leave it on my face as a mask. You see, so it serves as two things, because when I leave it like 10-15 minutes, it will dry. So then I wash it off. And I wash it off, and I use this one to cleanse my face. So when you use it to do it, you will see. If you use it like 3 weeks, 1 week, if you have like a particular stubborn spot that does not want to go, you will see the difference. So in that's what I want to share with you guys here. Rice water, try to combine your skincare routine, not only with chemicals, not only with the creams you bought from the market. No, it's going to kill your skin in the long run. You might not know it now. Maybe now you are 30 or 20 something. By the time you get 40 something or 50 or even 60, you still want to have a good skin, right? So that is why you need to incorporate these natural things. Don't neglect them. Don't say they don't work. Like in a week, if you have to use natural ingredients for 2 days or 3 days and allow your skin to rest, is good. It's going to help your skin and in the very long run. So this is what I want to share with you. And I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I ask you to subscribe, please, please, please. And I thank you in advance. And I say that God bless you. Hello guys, so here is my rice water after 24 hours. So this is 24 hours later. I'm going to strain the rice. I'm going to take the water. So I'm going to turn it thoroughly. This is how I do it. I turn it thoroughly before I start straining it. No, the kind of washing the rice to make sure all the ingredients comes out. All the ingredients to make sure I get all the not ingredients, sorry. I mean all the nutrients. I get all the nutrients that they are all out before I strain the water. So here is it guys. My rice water is ready. You can see. So I'm going to put it like this in the refrigerator. I can use this one for a whole 1 week for my face. The rice water is all purpose. So I use it for my face, for my hair, and for my scrub also. This is how I make my rice water. Now it has fermented. It has a little odor, but not too bad anyway.